Welcome back to Northern Garage. So we're going to be continuing finding the knocking noise on this. Today we're going to be changing some drop links to see if that cues us fault. Did me jack up a car before. There we go, that saved us some time. So let's take wheel off so we can get to drop links. Persuader. Click! Click! It was at this point I made a mistake. This top bolt and this bottom bolt shouldn't have been tightened while the suspension was up in the air. I soon realised this after taking it for a drive. After around 3 hours of driving, this top bolt worked its way loose and fell out. I then had to come back and replace the bolt with a new bolt and tighten everything back up with the suspension not jacked up.